As we mark another World Peace Day, I want you to know that peace is something that we have within us. I know that life is full of trying moments and times, but we need to accept ourselves, accept your situation, no matter what you're passing through in life, because peace is within you, it lives with you. Peace doesn't have to be determined by your present situation in life. Peace doesn't have to be determined by your social status or level of academics. It doesn't have to be determined by the money you have. Peace is just accepting yourself the way you are. Be yourself. Smile. Laugh. Live the life. Enjoy your life. Even when things are not moving the way you planned it. I want you to know that peace is all that matters in life. Let's come together and embrace peace. Happy World Peace Day.